Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Give and Take Policy of Transcendental Consciousness. Infinite numbers of natural forces are coming out from the field of transcendental consciousness, from the field of infinite possibilities. And these forces are maintaining the whole creation. They are making the progression of evolution possible. If our thoughts, words and actions are in conformity with the natural forces, they come in support of us and make our life easier, spontaneous and effortless. But if our thoughts, actions and words are not in conformity with these natural forces, then they react heavily against us and our life will be full of stress, strain and suffering. This is the conditions of present human civilization. So my dear friend, try to understand the value and importance of the transcendental consciousness, the field of infinite possibilities. This is the high time to understand it. Then we can come out of the present crisis. For our forthcoming seminars and workshop, please get in touch with us. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Namaste.